Hey guys, it's me again, Mukuli. I'll be doing a grade 10 video based on physical sciences. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'll be doing a section whereby we're doing calculation and theory. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to do calculation, as you can see in the board. So what we're going to do, our first topic will be wave speed, and secondly will be frequency and period. Then we're going to energy of a photon. So guys, our first topic is wave speed. So what we need to do, we need to come here, our mind map. So what we're going to do here, we're going to start with our variables. We need to understand the variables, understand. So what we're going to do will be V will stand for speed and velocity, meaning, and we go to frequency, which stands for F, then we go here, which is lambda, which stands for wavelength. Then we go to T, which is period. So what we're going to do, we're going to come to our SI units. SI units are very important. You need to take note that they are very important because they will give you a number, then they say a frequency of, let's say our frequency which is hertz, a frequency with a number of 35 hertz. You need to understand which, the meaning of this, the meaning of frequency. So you need to take note that as I've written here, SI units are very important. For velocity is meters per second. Then we go to frequency, which is hertz. Then we go to wavelength, which is measured in meters. Then we go to T, which is measured in seconds, which is time. So we're going to our formulas. Our formulas is V is equals to frequency times lambda. Then we go to V is equals to lambda times T, which is stands for period. So guys, what we're going to do, we're going to do example 1 based on all the information that I've just shown you, that I've just teach you. So yeah, let's start our example 1. So I'm just going to wrap here. Guys, so we're going to do our example 1 based on wave speed. So what we're going to do, we're going to do our transverse wave with a wavelength of 300 millimeters and has a frequency of 30 hertz. So we go to our solution. So the first thing you need to know, you need to write your data so that it would be easy to what will you say, to substitute in the variables that you got. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with here. We have our lambda, which stands for our wavelength. So since we have 300 millimeters, we have to convert it to 0.3 meters. So what we're going to do, we're going to divide it by 1000, so we get 0.3 meters. So what we're going to do, after this is your final answer for what we call wavelength. So we go to our frequency. Our frequency is 30 hertz. Then we go to our wave speed, which is, we don't have our wave speed. Then we go to our formula. Our formula, what we're going to do, we're going to write it the way it is, then substitute. So what we're going to do, we're going to go here. You see, this is frequency, meaning that you need to put 30 here. Then you go here, which is 0.3 meter. Then you put 0.3. Then you use your calculator, then you get the answer. The answer is 9 meters per second. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do another example based on period and frequency, how to calculate period and frequency. So the video will be dropped solely after I've uploaded this. So I thank you.